Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use HDR scape on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the right bar, tap to the second button, the settings, the pencil, sorry, and you can find the fourth row and click to the third option, the HDR skip button. And here you can adjust the filter strength, the brightness, or the saturation, and you can set if you click to the screen and just scroll on the line. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.